If you suffer from constipation, today I'm going to share a super quick remedy that will completely cleanse your stomach within a few hours, flushing out all the impurities. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Salim, and for the past 20 years, I've been guiding and motivating millions of people like you to live a fit and healthy life with simple and effective remedies. When it comes to constipation, you have thousands of remedies and medicines at your disposal. But the problem is that most medicines and remedies only provide relief for a few days. Afterward, your problem returns. That's why today I'll not only share this fast-acting remedy, but also provide some very important tips so that once this problem is resolved, it never returns. Yes, friends, I guarantee that if you watch this video carefully and follow all these points correctly, you'll never have the slightest problem with constipation again. So, let's start with a fast-acting remedy made with just 2 simple kitchen ingredients that can completely cleanse your stomach the very next morning. Friends, this remedy doesn't require much effort. All you need is a glass of milk, a teaspoon of isapgol husk, and a pinch of rock salt. Isapgol is a natural bulk-forming agent. It penetrates the intestines, absorbs water, and forms a soft gel. This softens the stool, creating bulk formation, making it easier for it to move forward. Slightly warm milk further stimulates intestinal movements, which again puts pressure on the stool, making you feel the urge to go to the toilet. And speaking of rock salt, it increases the amount of water in the intestines due to its osmotic action. This means it draws water from the tissues into the intestines, making stool softer and ready for immediate passage. When you take these 3 ingredients together, it becomes a powerful, balanced, and safe overnight remedy. To consume it, take a glass of milk and warm it slightly. Yes, just warm it slightly, don't heat it too much. Now, pour this milk into a glass, add a teaspoon of the husk of the round gall and a pinch of rock salt, and drink it immediately. The best time to drink it is 1 to 1.5 hours after dinner, when your stomach is slightly empty, and about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. One thing you should always remember is that you should drink this drink immediately after preparing it. You should not keep it for even a short time. Because if you leave it, it will swell and absorb all the milk, making it difficult for you to drink. After drinking this, drink a little plain, lukewarm water, and then go to sleep comfortably after half an hour or so. When you wake up in the morning, you will feel pressure in your stomach to go to the toilet, and you should immediately go to the toilet. Your entire stomach will be cleansed easily, without any cramps or pain. Friends, there are some important points related to this remedy that are very important for you to know and understand. First, if your digestion is weak, you suffer from acidity, or you cannot digest milk properly, you can also replace the milk with lukewarm water. This will be lighter on your stomach and will not cause any problems. Second, after taking this remedy, you should drink plenty of water. That means, drink 1 or 2 glasses of water before going to bed. Third, you shouldn't take this remedy regularly for more than 3 days at a time. You should only use it when you're experiencing severe problems. Fourth, if you have chronic constipation and want a natural, proper treatment for constipation that you can take regularly, you can also use Easy Flow syrup. Easy Flow is a research-based product that cures chronic constipation from the root. It won't give you overnight results, but if you use it regularly, it will heal your digestive system from the inside, eliminating dryness in your hands, softening your stool, and completely cleansing your colon without any side effects, without cramps or cramps. It will also greatly benefit you with problems like gas, bloating, and indigestion. This means it's not just for constipation, but it resets your entire digestive system. It contains a unique blend of 11 powerful ayurvedic herbs, including pudding, aloe vera, myrobalan, amla, licorice, turmeric, and moringa, which are clinically proven to treat all stomach problems. In fact, this syrup is so safe that everyone from 6-year-olds to 90-year-olds, and even diabetics, can easily take it. If you'd like to try it, I'll include a link in the description and in the first comment. You can order it online from there. Let's return to the main topic and discuss the tips you should follow to permanently eliminate your constipation problem. Because, no matter what the remedy or medicine, you don't want to become dependent on it. Friends, if you truly want to get rid of constipation forever, I'm sharing 5 most important points today. Follow these and your problem will never return. First, Improve your morning routine. Every morning, the first thing you should do after waking up is drink 2 glasses of warm water. 1 glass of plain water, and the other glass of water, add lemon and a little honey, or add a pinch of salt. Secondly, try to go to the toilet at the same time every day. Whether you feel like it or not, you should set a time and do it at that time. Why? Because doing so trains your colon reflex. Third, avoid using your phone while in the toilet. Because when you keep looking at your phone or scrolling through reels, your brain's concentration gets diverted, and you may have difficulty passing stools. Another important point is physical activity. Friends, excessive sedentary behavior can also make your colon sluggish. Therefore, make it your goal to move around a little throughout the day. Make it your goal to do at least a 30-minute brisk walk or some other exercise every day. And especially after eating, be sure to take a light walk for at least 15 minutes. This increases intestinal activity and makes bowel movements easier. The third tip is to always drink adequate amounts of water along with fiber in your diet, because fiber alone won't be beneficial unless your body has adequate water. Your daily target should be to consume at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily, and you should also drink 2 to 3 liters of water throughout the day. The best sources of fiber are papaya, guava, apples with the peel, pears, gourd, spinach, okra, flax seeds, chia seeds, oats, porridge, and lentils. So, make sure to prioritize these in your diet. Friends, as important as it is to include the right foods in our diet to alleviate constipation, it's equally important to avoid certain things. For example, refined flour, bakery items, processed snacks, fried foods, excessive tea and coffee, sweets, and alcohol. All of these things can irritate the intestines, which can worsen your constipation problem. Therefore, avoiding them is extremely important. And finally, be sure to take care of your sleep and stay away from stress. Remember, chronic stress blocks the gut-brain axis. To avoid this, learn to be happy. Practice yoga, do deep breathing exercises, and try to go to bed early and wake up early every night. Believe me, this is a very underrated point, but it's extremely important. Therefore, you should never ignore it. Don't make this mistake. Friends, getting rid of constipation isn't as difficult as you and I think. Just incorporate this remedy, Easy Flow Syrup, and these tips into your life starting today and watch how all your problems gradually disappear. By the way, if you want to know about some more powerful remedies for constipation and want to understand them in more detail, then click here and watch this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself, keep laughing, keep smiling. Keep learning something new every day so that you can stay healthy forever.